Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. I was often asked, should I use fresh or dry herbs to make hydrosol? The short answer is yes, you can use either the dry or fresh. For most of the herbs, you can use the fresh or dry herb to make a similar quality of hydrosol. Dry herb has the benefits you can purchase online or you can make it after you harvest the herb and use it for year round because dry herb has a very good and long shelf life. And the fresh herb, if it's in the harvest season, it's in the growth season, you will get a lot of herbs if you grow it. It's pretty easy to take care of the herbs. Most of the herbs, food sign, water, that's enough. For the herbs, you can use them to make your hydrosol, right away, just by cutting them off and put into the still and make your fresh hydrosol. In this video, I will demonstrate you to make oregano hydrosol by using the fresh herb. There are many different types of oregano. Generally, there are two groups. One is a European group. The typical one is called a Greek oregano or true oregano. Its Latin name is Oreganum vulgar. The other group is a Mexican oregano. I grow the Greek oregano. It's a true oregano. It's commonly used to make a pizza. And a Mexican oregano has a even stronger taste than the Greek oregano. And the other one is also belong to the European oregano is marjoram. It's quite similar with the vulgar, but it tastes a bit milder. The oregano I grow just for a couple years. Oregano has a very good, it's a perennial. It can survive during the winter. It wasn't nothing in the winter, but just after a couple months, it's already grown that big. It's oregano also a very good and healthy herb. It has very good antioxidants and very strong antibacterial properties. It's wonderful for making the pizza, the salads, for extraction, for the distillation. I just cut just some of the pieces they grow from the side of the box and are already good enough. When we use oregano, just mostly we want to use the leaf, but for the distillation, it's okay, just keep the stem. It's easy, and when you harvest, and also it doesn't hurt your quality of the hydrosol. This is oregano I just harvested. Just do a quick wash, clean off the dirt, dust, that's enough. I already added water in the pot. Let's close it. So I'm using the KD5 to make oregano hydrosol. The KD5 is perfect, for the small batch distillation and make the hydrosol. And you can just simply fold it and put it into the steamer, or you can just tear the leaf. And if you want to make a very strong hydrosol, you can tear the leaf and just using the leaf. The leaf has a higher concentration of those essential oil compared with a stem, but doesn't hurt you, by using the stem altogether. Don't pack too condensed. You want to leave some space for the steam go through, and cover it with another seed plate. Now it's ready to go. I want to show you the color of the hydrosol so I can stop the distillation. It is a bit of a cloudy. It's not as cloudy as by using the dry oregano leaf, but it's also cloudy. That means a bit of essential oil dispersed in the hydrosol. One of the major difference between using the dry herb and fresh herb is dry herb can make a stronger hydrosol because by using the same volume of the herb, the dry herb is taking, you're using the more herb for the dry herbs than the fresh, as they take less space. But as I mentioned in the beginning, overall, they are pretty similar. It's not identical because the dry herb has some difference in the chemical compared with the fresh herb, but it's a fairly equal quality. Thank you for watching. Please let me know how you use oregano and what hydrosol you want to make when the spring coming. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.